How do I pick between the Tetravan folding shower and the in-floor shower pan? Well, the fold is going to be used when you have a wall cavity or somewhere that can fit the Tetravan unit. It's about 3¼ inches deep, and this guy folds down from the wall, and then you magnet your curtain to the inside of the shower, pop it up when in use, and pop it down when you don't need it. If you don't have that space available in your wall, but you do have it in the aisle of your van, then you'll be using the in-floor shower pan. In concept, it's very similar. This is 2205 magnetic stainless steel. You'll use the magnetic zip curtain to attach to it, and you will carabine that to the ceiling or attach that to the ceiling when in use, and then drop it down when you don't need it. This is a center cut drain. We also have a bottom right and a bottom left drain for any ways that you need to avoid factory struts or fuel tanks underneath the van when you're doing your plumbing. Check it out at gocodeoverland.com and tetravan.com.